Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg and I'm back with another 1 minute, 10 minute, 1 hour, 10 hour drawing challenge. Today with Goku and Piccolo vs RADITZ. I did a few challenges like this before and I think it's pretty entertaining for you guys, so why not continue with this series. As you can see, I already drew the boxes for the 1 minute, 10 minute and 1 hour drawings and I think we can get right into it. Let's start with the 1 minute drawing, and guys, make sure to watch the whole video, like the video and subscribe, and now let's go. Not too bad, not too bad. It's acceptable for 1 minute. And now let's see what I can do in 10 minutes. Let's go. That looks way better. Piccolo blasting his attack in a pretty dynamic pose, and I managed to fully color this in 10 minutes. Of course, it's not that clean, and obviously, it's not a good drawing, but for 10 minutes it's not too bad. Now let's see what I can do in 1 hour. For this I want to draw RADITZ, Goku and Piccolo all together, and I was really curious if I can finish all of this in 1 hour. Let's see. Alright, I really could finish this just in time, and I think it's really good for 1 hour. We have 3 characters sketched out, inked and fully colored, and all of them in different poses. Now let me know what you think of this, and then we can move on to the 10-hour drawing. This one I will of course draw on a separate paper, and I was thinking of a cool fight scene of those 3, and now let's check out the drawing process. Again, make sure to watch the entire process, like the video if you haven't already, and I see you again in the end. So guys, as you can see, I got around 2 hours left, but the drawing is done and I think it's a really cool drawing. I gave RADITZ a cool pose with him being in front, battle damaged, and behind him are Goku and Piccolo attacking him. I love how RADITZ looks, the hair is amazing, and also the pose of Goku and Piccolo are great. I also like the background, and overall, the idea behind this drawing is pretty good I think. It's definitely not my best drawing ever, but still a great piece. Alright guys, now let me know in the comments what you think of this. Also give me inspiration for future videos and like the video to show me your support. You can also support me on Patreon. If you appreciate my work, that would be amazing. I will of course upload this in full time on my real time channel, so you can follow my steps very easy in case you want to draw this yourself. And the one and only original drawing is now available on Etsy, and for commissions message me on Instagram. All the links down below in the info box, including the links to the materials I'm using. That's it guys, thank you all for watching and I see you on the next